Hi guys, this is Craig Tomler, creator of Social Media Planner. You're probably wondering why there's a pen and a set of post-it notes on the table. Well, what I'd like to show you today is another tactic with Social Media Planner that's really helpful for people who need to gather their thoughts. So, using Social Media Planner, using either one of the scenarios in the deck or your own scenario, you might have a number of stages or phases in your social media plan. So for example, you might need to start off by building an audience and then creating some kind of offer and then somehow getting people to share that offer with others. So you might break that down by basically describing the different tactics on post-it notes. So build audience. I don't know if you can read this on the video, but that's what I'm writing down right now. So that's the first one. Second one might be then to make the offer. Excuse my pen. And then the third one, as I talked about, might be then prompt sharing. So taking those three things as separate phases, you might want to come up with slightly different social media cards for each phase. And actually say, okay, to build the audience, what we're going to do is we're going to do some image sharing through something like Instagram or Pinterest, where a way to actually aggregate an audience around a particular theme or type of pretty images. You might also use social networking, which is the place where you actually group people together. Then when it comes to making the offer, well, I put in social commerce, because that makes perfect sense, because you actually need to sell the offer in some way. And we may also add to that some marketing automation, because you've got a series of emails that leads people into the actual offer process. Then finally, around the sharing, we'll use social sharing to actually give people the way to actually share things. And we may also use URL shortening, because we want to use a custom URL that is specially for this offer that people can then share after, maybe with a special bonus deal or a coupon that they can use. So, in this case, we've used the layout again, as we did in a previous video, to actually define part of the social media strategy and help to actually document it as we went along. And we picked tools for each phase in terms of what they're being used for, build an audience, make an offer, and sharing, that actually helps structure your social media plan in a way that it's easy to actually implement. You know what tools you're using for what purpose and at what part of the process. So that's another tip on using Social Media Planner. If you haven't seen any of my previous tips, then please look back. There's a whole set of them up as videos, and I'm trying to add new ones as often as I can. And if you've got your own tips, please share them with us either by email or by putting up your own videos, because I'd love to share them with everybody using Social Media Planner so that everyone gets that benefit. So thanks again for watching.